Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're gonna see how we can render a list in React. So rendering a list is a common scenario. So the basic concept is that we loop over the array and for each item we render JSX. So we can use the JavaScript map method and we can iterate over each of these individual items and we can return JSX. So like an example, we can map over the series array. So we're gonna use series.map. So this will take one callback method. So for every city, so we're going to return h2 and inside that we're gonna render the name of the city. So this will return one list. So this is the city list. Now in React, rendering a list is pretty straightforward. So we use the curly braces for the JavaScript and then we can simply render the city list. So this way we can render a list of array items, and this way also we can render a list of objects. So like an example, here we have a list of object, book title, author's name, and also the number of pages the book has. Now to render this also we can use the map method. So books.map, and for every individual book we're going to return the h3, and here we're gonna render the title of the book, so book.title, and then we're gonna have the p tag, and here we're gonna render the name of the author, so book.author, and then at last we're gonna print the number of pages the book has, book.pages, and this will return one list. So we're gonna store that in the variable book list. Now in React we can easily render a list item, render our book list. So here you can see we have the title and then the author and the number of pages the book has. So this way we have rendered all of the three objects. Now instead of doing it this way, it is a best practice to create a separate component which will return this JSX. So we can create another component, book.js. So we're gonna cut all of this and we're gonna paste them right here. So our book component will return all of these JSX. Now the thing is that we have to pass the book as prop to this functional component. So here we're gonna import the book component and then we're gonna render the book and we're gonna pass all of the individual book object as prop. So we are passing all of this individual book to this book functional component. Now here we're going to destructure the book and then we can use book.title, author, and the pages. And now you can see we have the same UI. So you can see we're rendering all of the objects the same way, but now our code is a lot more organized and easier to read. So this is the way we can render list in React. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.